Welcome learners to Form 4 Mathematics. I'm going to deal with a subtopic here called trigonometric equations. Form 4 work, trigonometric equations. This is a question that was tested in KCSE some time back. So let us look at it. Given that cos 2x is equals to 0.8070, find x when 0 degrees is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 180. So this is the range of values of x that you should get. So learner, how do you go about this? The first thing is to look at your equation here. Cos 2x is equals to 0.8070. First step, learner, is that cos is positive. The answer here is positive. Cos is positive in which quadrants in a unit circle? Cos is positive in which quadrants? Maybe first draw the circle roughly like that. 0, 90, 180, 270 degrees, and 360 degrees. Like that. So learner, we know that all trigonometric ratios here are positive. Here in the second quadrant, it's only sign which is positive, and this is what? This is T, tan is positive, and this is C. I know there is a way that you fixed this in the head. First, second, third, fourth quadrant. Like now, myself and my students talk of all students take cocoa. All students take cocoa. Okay, learner, you come to this quadrant. This is the first, this is the second, third, and fourth quadrant. Like that. So you write cos is positive. Cos is positive in which quadrant? Cos is positive in the first and the fourth. All here are positive, cos is positive. So cos is positive in the first and the fourth quadrants. Maybe I can write in short like that. From there, learner, you look for cos inverse. Look for cos inverse of this. Cos inverse of this, learner, gives you what? It gives you 36.2 degrees. It's 20 degrees, something like that. From there, learner, get this acute angle, come and fix it here. Come and fix it in the first quadrant along this horizontal here. Come and fix your 36.20 there in the first quadrant. And also in the fourth quadrant, fix it here along this horizontal 36.20 degrees like that. So learn from there. After fixing your acute in the first and the fourth along this horizontal here, learner, you come and say, my angle, which is 2x, this is the time that you are now going to fix your 2x. The angle, which is 2x, in the first quadrant is what? In the first quadrant, it is this acute angle, that is 6.20. You go to the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, what is my angle, which is 2x? My angle is, it starts all the way from here, like this reflex. Look at this line, this reflex from here, 0, all the way like that, up to here. Which is this reflex angle? This reflex will be 360 minus this acute. So it will be 360 minus acute, maybe I can write it here, 360 minus that is 6.20, learner. You subtract this, you should get what? You should get 323.80 degrees. So in the fourth quadrant, learner, our angle is this, that one there. And so learner, from there, what is the value of x? Given that 2x is this, what is x, learner? You divide this by 2 to get x. And therefore, dividing by 2, you divide by 2 to get x, you should get 18.1 or 18.10 degrees. Higher, in the fourth quadrant, what is x? So you divide here by 2, divide also here by 2. So you get 161.90 degrees. And these are your values of x. And if you look at these values of x, learner, they lie within the range 0 to 180. And therefore, learner, I go through it very fast for mastering. So the first thing is to ask yourself, cos is positive in which quadrant? It is positive in the first and the fourth quadrant. That is the first question, learner. From there, you get, so this is the first step. The second step, learner, you look for cos inverse of this decimal. You get it there, the acute angle. From there, learner, you go with this acute angle, you fix it along this horizontal on the first quadrant, on the fourth. And so from there, you come now and ask yourself, my angle which is 2x, learner, my angle which is 2x in this case is what in the first quadrant? It is 360. Do you hear hapo? Then in the fourth quadrant, learner, in the fourth quadrant, it is this angle here, reflex. So you subtract 360 minus this acute. You get 323.80. So what is x? Divide this by 2, divide this by 2 to get your values of x. So I hope you have understood, learner. Go and practice on such questions. They are normally tested in exams. Although I'll be doing more of such kind. Thank you and God bless you as you practice. I wish you all the best. Thank you.